Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today is my birthday. I'm just getting ready to go out with my mum. I thought I'd use this today. Now I should be using my Pat McGrath Labs palette, but I'm not too convinced on that last shade, and I want it to be special makeup. Lisa from Banning, Panning and Beyond bought me this for Christmas and it looks absolutely beautiful. So that's all the shades there. I don't know if I'm going to be using them all. We'll see. We'll see what I want to do. We've got a guest today. My mum's just sat on the bed watching me film. I've never actually had a guest, so I might be a bit shy. Okay, so we're going to go into the lighter shade first, which is that, it's like a brown, a caramel brown. It's called Lodge. And I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics 119. It's kind of angled and quite stubby. See if this works for this. I've got no plan, guys. I don't know what I'm doing with it. Just putting it on. Gonna blend it out with this tight brush. It's raining so bad out there and we've got to go out in it. We're going to get soaked, Mum.
I know.
Said it wasn't going to rain today as well. Wish I would have checked the weather before I booked the restaurant. We could have stayed home and had pizza. Right, that's the first shade down. Let's go in with this khaki green one here, which is called, what are you called? BIA. Find a different brush. That's the same brush. I must have two sets of these brushes. That's the same brush that we've just used, the BH Cosmetics 104. So that's the one I'm going to use now. That's the one I used before. I'll run it through the crease as well, just to deepen it out. So I do have the bigger palette to this mini gold, but I don't know, I got the urge to use this one today. It's certainly been a day. This morning I had to go to the doctor's and get this done. So that's where I had my implant taken out. They put 4 steri strips in, and I can't have a bath or a shower for 4 days. No, 5 days. They just need me to keep it clean and then I should be okay. And they're like, do you want another one in? And I'm like, no thank you. Gonna take a break now. And if you would have seen my short videos that I did this morning before I went to the doctor, you would have realised just how nervous I am. Right, or was, should I say, not am. I think on the outer part of the eye, I'm going to go in with this green here, Anthea, and I watched Natasha Denona's video and she said that this is a duochrome, so shall we just put it on with a finger? Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. DHL? Well, it's a birthday present that's coming next week. They was just asking if I wanted it to be left in a safe place, which I don't. They better knock on my door. Right. These are really smooth, these metallics. Really nice, Mum.
Use the finger like me.
I don't. Well, yeah, sometimes I do. It just, shimmers go on better with your finger because of the heat of the finger. Sometimes the brushes don't always work unless you put like setting spray on it. Right, so, and this is quicker. We don't have much time, do we not?
No.
And then I'm going to go in with this beautiful gold. It's called Doi, which is spelled D''O''R. And Natasha Denona also said that this was the inspiration behind Lime Chrome. I thought it was, wasn't 100% sure. It's so similar to Lime Chrome from the bigger Natasha Denona palette. So if you wanted that palette for that shade, I would recommend this palette. This is more pigmented. Oh, that's so gorgeous. To my mum it's just makeup. To me and to you guys out there it's more than makeup. Comment down below if you agree. How many eyeshadows do you put on, Mum? Is it just one?
Yeah.
And at the minute I've got, I think, 4 on. Yeah. I used to do that though. When I was a little bit younger and I didn't know what I was doing, I was like, just put the one shimmer all over the lid. YouTube taught me what to do. Or should I say, the influencers did. I used to watch Jacqueline Hill and people like her back in the day. I need something for the inner corner highlight. Let's go in with one that's just directly behind me. Oh, I can't get it. I'm going to go in with this smoky eyeshadow brush and it's just the Benefit Cookie. We all know that I like this one. I think this is my favourite highlighter. You bought me this, Mum?
Yeah.
A bit too much on the left eye. Story of my life. Then I need another brush.
Because you're ain't going to brush it all off.
One, because I'm taking my umbrella.
I know.
So it won't even get to my face. I'm going to go in. I think I'm going to mix. Normally I wouldn't put a shimmer on the lash line. I think I'm going to mix, just so that we've used all the shades. This khaki green shade, which again was called Beer. No, not that shade, sorry. Yeah, we're going to use that shade, Beer, and then we're going to use this like kind of black shade, which is called Dark Sepia. Just so that I can say to you guys that we have used them both. And I just put this on with a brow brush from Real Techniques. Right, so that's the eyes done. Just need to put some mascara on now. Right, so this Essence Double Trouble is the one that I have been using, but it's practically all gone, so practically all dried up. So that can go in the empties. I'm going to try this one, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So it says 93% gives lashes of luminous definition, 96% said that it was magnified and amplified, 96% said that it lengthens the lashes and that it's smudge and humidity proof. And then it just says the same thing in French, I think, and that's the picture. So it says here, beautiful after, so it kind of looks like false lashes, and then beautiful before. And it's so tiny, it's not going to last long. But I've been meaning to try this for a while. But she's just so expensive, isn't she, Charlotte Tilbury? I don't like spending a fortune on high-end mascara because it only lasts 3 months. I think this is about £18 on this mascara. Maybe more. Don't like spending that amount of money on a mascara. Some of it has gone on my lid. I'll sort that out once I put lipstick on. So I'll just grab a lipstick and I'll be back. Right, so I'm just going to wear this one. So it's my MAC Whirl. I've not had it that long, but it is becoming a favourite. And let's put some on. And the brush is here. I'm just going to blend out a little bit. Put something down and I can never find it. Oh, it's here. I'm going to go in with that highlighter again for the brow bone now. Okay, and then just a touch more of this shade here and that shade there. So we'll start off with Anthea. What do you guys think of these mini palettes anyway? Do you like them? And then we're going to go in with Doy. That one there, and then we'll be done. Oh, that's gorgeous. And what time is it? Not even 6:30, Mum. Told you I wouldn't be long. Right, so now what I need to do is just get ready and I'll come back and show you the overall look, what I'm wearing, etc. And then we'll be done for this look. Right guys, so this is what we're looking like. So basically I'm wearing this red top, some leather jeggings, and I'm going to put some boots on. It's not ideal considering it's bad weather here, windy, rainy, and goodness knows what it's going to be like when we get out of the pub, but I wanted to make an effort. I've not dressed up in a while, and this is the overall look. I'm really liking it. I love that mini gold palette, so thank you Lisa for buying it for me for Christmas. So yeah, this is the overall look. Quite smoky, but I do like it, as I've just said. So where's the palette? Back in the box. Does anyone else keep the boxes? I think I've only kept the newer boxes, so this one and the Metropolis that I got. But yeah, it's just stunning. I think both of these are duochromes. If that's not a duochrome, it certainly acts like one. But that one definitely is, according to Natasha Denona's video that I watched today. I was going to recreate that look, but I thought it would take too long, and me and my mum need to go out pretty sharpish. So guys, all I've got left to say now is thank you for all your lovely birthday messages on here and on Instagram. I really do appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.